What's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and NVIDIA is finally out with their 2000 series RTX GPUs, and in today's video I tell you guys a quick $1,700 gaming PC build featuring the new RTX 2080, and alongside we'll be using the Ryzen 7 2700X as well. And in my opinion, this is going to be one of the best, most powerful, value for money builds you can get in 2018. So yeah, you're getting the GPU power as well as the multi-threaded performance of Ryzen 7. So in this video, I tell you guys all the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers and benchmarks, which are absolutely amazing. This PC is going to be good at doing things like high-end 4K gaming, and also it can do live streaming, video editing, high-end workloads, 3D modeling, rendering, and stuff like that. So if you're into all that, just keep watching this one. And yeah, all the parts that I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos. Go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get on with the build. Now for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. It has 8 cores and 16 threads, comes clocked at 3.7 GHz on the base and 4.3 GHz on max boost. It has XFR2 and Precision Boost 2. Also comes with its own Wraith Prism RGB cooler, which is enhanced and provides 50% more cooling, so it should be able to handle that decent overclock. Also, the CPU has 20 megabytes of total cache and retails for $329. Now to house that CPU, we have the GIGABYTE X470 AORUS Gaming Ultra. It's an AM4 X470 motherboard with DDR4 support, USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1 and USB Type-C. So there's a lot of modern I/O in there. HDMI, overclocking, and it's got the RGB fusion technology as well. So this motherboard is one of the best in terms of the budget X470 boards, and this one retails for $139. For RAM, we have 16 gigabytes of CORSAIR Engine's LPX DDR4 at 3000 MHz. Pretty good deal, 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes for $154, and this should get the job done as well. For some fast storage, we have the 250 gigabyte WDBLUE SSD. Now this is SATA 3 and it will get you speeds up to 500 megabytes per second in read and write, and it comes in a very small form factor, so 2.5 inches. You can also add a M.2 drive in the future if you want to, but SATA SSDs are the way to go if you want to save some money and still get some really good speeds. For $70, this is not a bad deal at all. Now for mass storage, we have 2 terabytes of SEAGATE BARRACUDA at 7200 RPM, that 3.5 in form factor and the reliability from SEAGATE for only $59.99. And they should be able to hold all your big files, your media library, your games, your music, your movies, and this will not run out of storage for some time now. To power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 750 watt GQ. This is 80 plus gold certified with a semi-modular design and a 5-year warranty for only $69. Now for the graphics card and the star of the show, we have the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2080 AMP Edition. This has 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, 256-bit memory interface, a triple fan cooling design, USB Type-C, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI for $839. This is an absolute beast. To wrap this whole build up, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox Pro 5 RGB, which comes with 3 RGB fans pre-included, a really good looking design, tempered glass side panel, a lot of space, USB 3.0 and audio jacks for only $79.99. This is a really good looking case. But that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about the best part of this PC, that is the performance and some future upgrades as well. Performance is going to be absolutely mind-blowing on this. You can play the new games such as Battlefield 5, Metro Redux, and anything that comes out in the next few years. And you can also max out some games at 1080p and 1440p, no problem. You should be able to do some 4K gaming. Modern AAA titles will be a breeze for this PC. Esports gaming is just not even in the question. You can get 4K maxed out 100 FPS or more, no problem. So if gaming is your thing, this is going to be the beast for you. Yeah, you might not be able to, 4K ultra everything. There is going to be some games that will require you to lower down the settings, but apart from that, gaming is going to be buttery smooth on this. Edit videos in 4K, use After Effects, and also use heavy programs like Maya, Cinema 4D, and just 3D modeling in general. And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If this was helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. All the parts are in the description down below, so if you want to help the channel out, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.